Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe by the grace of God. Welcome to Science Online Class. Myself, Angeline. I am your science teacher. Today, we are going to learn the first unit, food or basic need. Food or basic need. Children, have you all had your breakfast today morning? Yes, you all had your breakfast, isn't it? What breakfast you had today? You might have eaten idli, dosa, buri, then milk, etc., isn't it? So, anything that we eat or drink is called food. What is food? Anything that we eat or drink is called food. Do all living beings need food? Yes, all living beings need food. Why do we need food? We need food to live. Children, can you live without food? No, we cannot live without food. How many times do you eat? Food is eaten by us generally for 3 times a day. We eat breakfast in the morning, then we eat lunch at noon, and then we eat dinner at night. Isn't it? So, we eat different types of food every day. Do you eat same food every day? No, isn't it? We eat different types of food every day. Children, can you think of running for half an hour without eating anything? No, isn't it? What happens if you run without eating? We feel tired, isn't it? Why do we feel tired? We feel tired when we do not have energy in our body. What is energy? Energy is the ability to do work. So, if we want to do any work, we need energy, right? From where do we get the energy? We get energy from the food we eat. Children, do you know why do we feel hungry? We feel hungry if we do not eat food for a long time. Our body needs food when it is hungry, isn't it? Food is the source of energy for our body. So, energy is needed for doing activities such as studying, playing, walking, and talking. Energy is also needed to grow. So, today in this chapter, we will study about food groups. Okay? Food can be divided into different groups according to their uses to our body. The food that we eat has many substances that help our body to grow and stay healthy and strong. The substances that are needed by our body for energy, good health, and proper growth are called nutrients. What are nutrients? The substances that are needed by our body for energy, good health, and proper growth are called nutrients. Okay. Nutrients gives us energy to do our work. So, for doing any work, we need energy. They help to repair our body and also prevent us from falling ill. Okay. The main nutrients found in food items are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. First, we can learn carbohydrates. Children, do you know how a car moves? Yes, it runs on petrol, isn't it? The petrol produces energy for the car to run. Similarly, the food we eat gives us energy to work. Does all type of food give us energy? No, only the food that contains carbohydrates and fats can provide energy. They are also called energy giving foods. So, what are energy giving foods? Food items rich in carbohydrates are called energy giving foods. Or basic food items like cereals, that is rice, wheat, corn and vegetables such as potatoes give us a lot of energy. People who do a lot of physical work such as laborers, farmers and sports persons need a lot of carbohydrates to give them more energy. Children, do you know why these people need more carbohydrates? Because laborers, farmers and sports persons do more physical work than a person who sits in the office, isn't it? So, they need more carbohydrates. Okay. Next, let us learn about proteins. Proteins help us to grow. They also build muscles and repair damaged parts of our body during injury or sickness. Food items such as milk, egg, cheese, fish, meat, beans and pulses contain proteins. Food items rich in proteins are called bodybuilding foods. Okay. Young children, that is growing children like you, need more protein rich food than adults. Do you know why? Because they are still growing. Okay. Next we can learn fats. Children, we know that food items rich in carbohydrates are known as energy giving foods, isn't it? Same way, food items rich in fats are also known as energy giving foods. Fats give us more energy than carbohydrates. Fat not only provide energy to our body but also keep our body warm. Food items such as nuts, oil, ghee and butter are rich in fats. Our body needs very little fat. So, extra fat is stored in our body for future use. Children, in today's world, we have lot of fast foods like chips, cakes and pizzas that are readily available at many places, isn't it? You all like to eat also, isn't it? Although they are tasty, they are unhealthy. Is it a healthy food? No, isn't it? Why? Because they contain too much of fat, which is bad for our health. Okay. So, a person eating too much of fat can suffer from obesity. Obesity means very fat and fleshy. Okay. So children, today we have learned nutrients and the main nutrients needed by our body. That is carbohydrates, proteins and fats. Now take your science book. We can underline the important keywords. Take the first lesson. Turn page number 11. Unit 1. Food or basic need. In this lesson, here there is an activity for you. List all the things that have been used to make the cake. Then write P for foodstuffs we get from plants and A for the ones we get from animals. Carrots we get from plants. Eggs we get from animals. Milk we get from animals. Coconut oil we get from plants. Apples we get from plants. Ginger we get from plants. Walnuts we get from plants. Honey we get from animals. Turn page number 12. Food groups. Under that we learned about nutrients, isn't it? Underline nutrients. Nutrients, the substances that are needed by your body for energy, good health and proper growth are called nutrients. Okay. The main nutrients found in food items are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Underline carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Okay. Then next we learned about the nutrient carbohydrates. Okay. What are the sources of carbohydrates? The rich sources of carbohydrates are cereals, that is rice, wheat and corn, and vegetables such as potatoes. Okay. What is the function of carbohydrate? It gives us a lot of energy. Okay. Underline, give us a lot of energy. Then what are energy giving foods? Food items rich in carbohydrates are called energy giving foods. Underline energy giving foods. Then next we learned about proteins. What are the sources of proteins? The rich sources of proteins are milk, egg, cheese, fish meat, beans and pulses. Okay. What are bodybuilding foods? Food items rich in proteins are called bodybuilding foods. Underline bodybuilding foods. Then, what are the functions of proteins? Proteins are needed for the growth and repair of our body and also for building muscles. Okay. Who need more protein rich food? Young children. Okay. Underline young children. Why they need more protein rich food? Because they are still growing. Okay. Next, we learned about fat. What are the sources of fats? The rich sources of fats are nuts, oil, ghee and butter. What is the function of fat? Fat provide more energy than food items rich in carbohydrates. They also help to keep the body warm. Underline keep the body warm. Okay. Turn page number 17. First we can write the fill in the blanks. First 3 fill in the blanks we can write. Okay. First one. We need food to dash. Grow and stay healthy and strong. Answer is grow and stay healthy and strong. Okay. We have to write in the blanks. Then second one, dash give us energy to do work. Nutrients, vitamins. Answer is nutrients. Okay. Then third one, young children need more dash food than adults because they are still growing. Carbohydrate rich, protein rich. Answer is protein rich. Okay. Next, choose the correct option. Here also we can write 3 questions. Okay. First one, nutrients help us in option A, giving energy to do work. Option B, repairing our body. Option C, preventing us from falling ill. Option D, all of this. Answer is option D, all of this. Second one, which of these do young children need more than adults? Option A, carbohydrates. Option B, proteins. Option C, fats. Option D, roughage. Answer is option B, proteins. Third one, which of these contain more energy than carbohydrates? Option A, fats. Option B, proteins. Option C, vitamins and minerals. Option D, roughage. Answer is option A, fats. Next on page number 18. Give one word for the following. Here also we can write first 3. Okay. First one, substances needed by your body for good health and growth. Answer is nutrients. N-U-T-R-I-E-N-T-S. Nutrients. Okay. Second one, food items rich in carbohydrates. Answer is energy giving. E-N-E-R-G-Y. Energy. G-I-V-I-N-G. Giving. Energy giving. Third one, food items rich in proteins. Answer is body building. B-O-D-Y. Body. B-U-I-L-D-I-N-G. Building. Body building. Okay. Take a new booklet and write the question answer. Lesson 1. Food or basic need. Answer the following questions. First one. What are nutrients? Name the 5 main nutrients needed by our body. Substances that are needed by our body for energy, good health and proper growth are called nutrients. The 5 nutrients are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. I repeat, what are nutrients? Name the 5 main nutrients needed by our body. Substances that are needed by our body for energy, good health and proper growth are called nutrients. The 5 nutrients are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Second question, what are body building foods? Why does our body need them? Food items rich in proteins are called body building foods. Example, milk, egg, fish, meat and pulses. They are needed for the growth and repair of our body and also for building muscles. I repeat, what are body building foods? Why does our body need them? Food items rich in proteins are called body building foods. Example, milk, egg, fish, meat and pulses. They are needed for the growth and repair of our body and also for building muscles. Today's homework, learn the book exercises and the 2 question answers. Okay. With this, I finish today's session. We can learn the remaining portion in the next class. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.